Hi everyone, welcome back to Ask World. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about the tool called Selector Hub. Selector Hub helps you quickly and effectively find the right locators, saving your time and making your testing smoother. I will explore its features, installation and show you how to use it effectively for creating test script. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the partial link text and link text, which is used for clicking the link. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search here Selector Hub for Chrome. Click on first link, which is Selector Hub XPath Helper, and then click on Add to Chrome. After clicking on this Add to Chrome, click on this Add Extension, and this extension will be added into this browser. Now, I will show you how to find the locator by using this extension. After adding this extension, you need to restart the browser for reflecting the changes. Close Chrome browser and again search here Google Chrome. First, we need to navigate to the URL in which we want to find the locator for a specific element. Open Chrome browser. Here you can view the two fields are available, which is username, password, and this third is submit button. Now you need to find the locator for this element, which is username field. Right click on this field, inspect, and then click on Selector Hub. Here you can view the different locators are available. You can locate by ID, name, and absolute XPath and tag name. Just copy this value, which is username, and change the here locator from XPath to ID, and then enter the value here, which is username. Same for this password field. If you want to find the locator, just close this, right click and inspect, and then click on Selector Hub. Here we can locate by name. Just copy this name and change the locator from selector to name and enter the value here. This is very easy to find the locator. You just need to right click on this field or button, inspect, and then click on Selector Hub, and then you can find easily this IDs, values, name, and CSS selector as well XPath. That it's for today tutorial on Selector Hub. I hope you find it helpful and learn how this tool can make your life easier as an automation tester. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Ask World for more tutorials on automation. See you in the next video.